y'all, come back at you with another video.
Fuck water, nigga. Y'all rockin' with Barco.
This is a
Niggas tryna ride my
clown
way.
slash like torn up
Niggas always
facelift.
on
So
my
hope you guys
dick.
enjoy. Stay tuned for the video.
Bitches
Love
gon'
you guys.
ride my
Subscribe
dick. Yes,
and like this video.
Hey guys, long time no talk, or since you guys have seen me. So we're gonna start out this video with me putting on a primer. It's a 2-in-1 primer, I believe, for redness and color correcting. So I start off with a black cream crayon paint and just draw a loose outline of what my face is gonna, or what my ripped open mouth is gonna look like. And then I go ahead and grab some liquid latex. I'm gonna pour it into a styrofoam cup I have cut, and then grab some cotton wads, unravel those, and dip the ends in the liquid latex, stick it to my face, and then add liquid latex on top of that to get the right texture and the thickness and everything. Keep building it up until you have enough to where when you pull it away from your skin, it's not going to, you're not going to end up tearing your skin, because I made mine a little too thin and ended up, when I pulled it off, I pulled a little bit too much skin off of the top of like my lips and stuff, and like the very top of my lips are a little scabbed up right now. Oops.
You better bring heat, you claiming I'm weak. 7 bad bitches, dry soil, no dry weeks. Compared to my plug, I made my dogs weak. We ain't taking S's, they roll some loud tree. I stand up like Luda in 03. Ain't backing down to fuck niggas with bad teeth. Or any other garbage just mumbled on trap beats. Niggas wanna diss, better come with a rap sheet. From this moment on, get used to the backseat. Son, I done held the wheels since diapers and car seats. I done been on tour trip and fell in the damn seat. And everyone first thought was damn, fuck me. Hustle blood, wake up and get it. You know that I'm with it. For any nigga itching to get it.
I do want to interject right here and mention that you want to continually build up the liquid latex, but also make sure that you're not making it too thick, and also clean out the edges of the liquid latex so it blends in with your skin and it's not just like skin and liquid latex, because then it's not going to look as real, and you obviously want to make it look as real as possible to scare people or whatever you're doing this look for.
Bitches trying to play a game and I peep. Beat stuck in my head, I can't sleep. A lot of long nights to pay for lost sleep. Niggas trying to ride my wave, I ain't sleep. Bitches trying to play a game and I peep. Beat stuck in my head, I can't sleep. A lot of long nights to
It's
pay for
always
lost
okay to go back and fix it. Don't ever forget that. See, I thought I was done here, and then I went back and fixed a couple little patches to make it look more even so it blended in with my skin more. Remember, more is always enough, or whatever that saying is. So here I went ahead and grabbed a black, thick, I think it's an e.l.f. Liquid eyeliner felt tip marker, and started to draw like very jagged, not even triangles below my eyes, and then I started and did that above my eyes as well.
Nigga, fuck that, man. Let's get it. Fuck water, nigga. Barco, man. Let's get it. Y'all rockin' with Barco. Niggas tryna ride my way. Niggas always on my dick. Bitches gon' ride my dick.
Once you have both triangles drawn, make sure you even them out enough to where they look like sisters but not twins, and then do some very rough 2 circles up at the top. The tip of my eyeliner pencil or pen wasn't really the best, so these were a little harder for me, so I had to redo them. As you can see. So I'm grabbing a NYX cream contour paint palette. I got it around Halloween at Walgreens. Grabbing the darkest red cherry wine shade up at the top left and using that to color the bottoms of the triangles, the fatter ends of the triangles, and then I'm grabbing the brighter red and adding that to the tops, and then smudging that out so it looks like it's, I don't really know how to explain it, but just basically do what I'm doing. Put the red on your eyelids, make yourself look all crazy, and then add some black, and then basically take it all off. You just want like a small little hint of that red left over to make you look like dirty, I guess. And then go ahead and cut open your mouth. Be really careful doing this. Start at the center of your lips. Pull your lips back. Like if you know how to pull your lips back into your mouth and like make yourself look like you have no lips, basically do that. Cut it. Be very careful. And then once you get it cut open, go ahead and pull it open. Mine hadn't fully dried at this point, so I let it continue drying and worked on the outside of the look before I finished the inside of the look.
Been on tour trip and fell in the damn sea. And everyone first thought was damn, fuck me. Hustle blood, wake up and get it. You know that I'm with it. For any nigga itching to get it.
Remember how I mentioned that my mouth wasn't completely dry? Yeah, it literally stuck together in the middle, and I was like, great. So what I'm doing here is I'm grabbing just a general concealing palette and grabbing the lightest shade and putting it on. And then packing Bye Bye foundation, I think is what it's called, by IT Cosmetics. Foundation on top. Just grab whatever foundation is closest to your shade and then match it and blend it and make it look like it's part of your skin. I don't really wear like full face makeup anymore, so I don't have any foundation that really matches my skin, so I'm doing the best I can here. If you do stuff like this, you probably have some. I need to go pick up some makeup because I've been going barefaced a lot recently. So there's that. Yes, girl, kill it. So anyway, I grabbed this Bruise, I think, Special Effects little like starter kit I got at Walmart that's got a couple different colors in it, and start off with the bright red to just with a triangle sponge and just put it around the edges and blot it and make it look like it's basically like my skin's fucked up. Like I got fucked up. Like I had pulled a joker on myself and was like, okay girl, let's do it. And I was like, bye bye girl. But yeah, so and then I got purple and the darker red and basically just like make myself look bruised up and like como una cochina, ¿verdad? Like I have to make myself look like I literally got my ass beat. So basically that's what happened. Not really. Anyway, so next we're taking a black and putting it on the inside to color the inside to give it more depth and dimension so that when you put the fake blood on, it doesn't just look like you put fake blood on top of skin. It looks like there's actually a hole and like that person, well, yourself is like got a hole in their face and their face is ripped open and ow, that sounds like it hurts. So basically you're gonna take like all these colors like purple, black, dark red, and bright red and mix them all together, make it look like you have dimension, make it look like you got a hole in your face, blah blah blah, etc, etc. So, and then you're gonna take fake blood with the same triangle square thing I've been using the entire video. You're gonna take that, pull little pieces out with your nails, and then blot fake blood everywhere around your face to look like a queen.
I'm talking ramble to choppers, test me and stir up some drama. I took that heat in my joggers, my parents Simba and Nala, born up to live like a baller, smashing the gas on the charger. Good they can put you in drama. I go to work, let's play doctor. We taking tests for Papa, and if it's mine, it's no problem. Hustle blood, wake up and get it. You know that I'm with it. For any nigga itching to get it, you know that I'm with it.
And so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoy. And don't forget to comment, subscribe, like, and share this video. Bye.
Niggas always on my dick.